Welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams. Today, we are diving into the 5 top crypto gaming coins for 2025. The gaming sector within the cryptocurrency market is exploding, and as blockchain technology continues to grow, gaming projects are at the forefront of adoption. If you are a crypto investor looking for the next big opportunity or a gaming enthusiast interested in blockchain games, this video will help you discover the best gaming tokens to watch for massive potential gains in 2025. Look in the description below for links to helpful tools. Part 1. What are crypto gaming tokens? Crypto gaming tokens are digital assets used in blockchain-based games to reward players, buy in-game items, and even earn real money. These projects combine decentralized finance with the multi-billion-dollar gaming industry. But with so many options out there, it is important to focus on the coins with strong fundamentals, growing communities, and promising technology. Part 2. Top 5 coins for 2025. Coin 1. The first coin on the list is Axie Infinity Shards, or AXS. Axie Infinity is a leading blockchain game where players breed, battle, and trade Axie creatures. It pioneered the play to earn gaming model and built a massive community. In 2025, Axie Infinity is set to benefit from upgrades to its ecosystem and new partnerships that could bring in more players. AXS is the governance token for the Axie Infinity universe, and as the game grows, the demand for AXS could increase significantly. Coin 2. Next up, we have Gala Games and its Gala token. Gala Games is a gaming platform focused on decentralizing the gaming industry by giving players ownership of in-game assets. What sets Gala Games apart is its large library of games across different genres, all using blockchain technology. In 2025, Gala is expected to launch several new titles and integrate new features that will strengthen the Gala token's utility. With strong backing and a growing user base, Gala is one of the top contenders for long-term growth. Coin 3. The third coin on our list is the Sandbox and its SAND token. The Sandbox is a virtual metaverse where players can create, own, and monetize their gaming experiences. SAND is the currency of this metaverse, used for purchasing land, assets, and participating in the ecosystem. As metaverses continue to grow in popularity, the Sandbox remains one of the leading projects in this space. Major brands and celebrities are already participating, which gives the platform tremendous credibility and visibility moving forward into 2025. Coin 4. Another coin to watch is Illuvium and its ILV token. Illuvium is a blockchain-based open-world RPG game featuring high-quality graphics and an immersive experience. Players hunt creatures called Illuvials, which can be used in battles and traded as NFTs. The ILV token is central to this ecosystem, and with the game's full launch expected by 2025, Illuvium has the potential to become a standout project in blockchain gaming. Coin 5. The final pick for this list is Enjin Coin ENJ. Enjin is a platform that allows developers to create blockchain-based games and NFTs seamlessly. ENJ is used to back the value of NFTs created within the Enjin ecosystem, giving real utility to in-game assets. With its established technology and partnerships with large-scale brands, Enjin remains a top choice for developers and players, and its growth is set to continue well into 2025. Part 3. The right tools for trading. To maximize your research into crypto gaming coins, you need to use the right tools. Trading View is perfect for analyzing price charts, identifying trends, and setting buy or sell levels for these tokens. For tracking your gaming coin investments, CoinStats is a great tool that lets you manage your portfolio and monitor your profits. Glassnode provides on-chain analytics, which can help you see the real adoption and activity within gaming token ecosystems. Finally, when you are trading or taking profits, tools like Token Tax and Koinly can automate your crypto tax reporting, saving you time and ensuring compliance. To recap, the top gaming tokens for 2025 include Axie Infinity, Gala Games, the Sandbox, Illuvium, and Enjin Coin. These projects are leading the way in blockchain gaming and have strong potential to deliver impressive returns. Remember to use tools like CoinStats, Trading View, Glassnode, Token Tax, and Koinly to research, track, and manage your gaming token investments effectively. If you enjoyed this video, look in the description below for links to helpful tools. hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more crypto insights. Let me know in the comments which gaming coins you are most excited about for 2025. Thanks for watching.